Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Come on. What's wrong with you? Come on! Oh my God! Construction vehicles is, I need help, I'm stuck.
Ooh.
Hi, what's wrong? Thanks for responding. Help me out. All right.
I'm sorry, man. I can't make it. Call someone else, please.
Dump truck, help me out. I'm running out of time. All right, buddy. I'll be right there. I'll try to get you out. Okay, buddy, just be careful. No! Someone who's a better fit for this job. I don't think I'm quite right for it. All right, I'll find someone. Thanks for coming. Bulldozer, I'm counting on you to get here as soon as possible. Yes, I'd love to help you. Let me think. All right, I got an idea what to do. Bulldozer, you did well. You're very smart. Thank you. Oh, come on. It's my job to help people. You're welcome.
I called the construction vehicles. They're gonna patch the road.
Unbelievable.
Have a nice day.
Construction vehicles. Thank you for a job well done. You did a great job.